Hi guys, Dave Summers here from Dave's Kitchen, or rather Dave's Outdoor Kitchen, but not the outdoor kitchen over the last week or the next couple of days, because rain is still forecast, unfortunately. Just wanted to tell you my plans on the sort of foods I'll be starting off with. I thought I'd start off with cooking pizzas, two different pizzas in two of my different units. One I'll be cooking in the charcoal barbecue. I've got an attachment on there where you can put a pizza in. And I'll also be cooking a pizza on the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill. Now, it gives me a bit of chance really because I'm going to make the pizzas out of sourdough. I, excuse me, I make my own sourdough and sourdough starter, sourdough bread, but I can also do the sourdough pizzas. The sourdough I've got is made from a culture, and I'll put a link at the bottom of this video. Show you where you can get it. I supply it as a dry powder, and I provide it worldwide, and there's no postage on there. So just have a look at that. Just go to the page and you can read all about it. With the sourdough I've got a few jars of made up sourdough. It's been in my fridge now for a few weeks. I haven't made anything with it. I've just brought it out today and I've started to rejuvenate it by adding some more, excuse me, some warm water and some flour. So I've got that in somewhere where it's going to stay nice and warm now for the next 12 to 24 hours. And then I'll make the pizza dough from that. So it's going to take me about a couple of days to make the dough. So by that time, hopefully, they have forecast a bit of dry weather towards the weekend, and we can have a go at that. So just to compare two different cooking methods, like I said, one in the charcoal barbecue and one on the electric Ninja wood fire. I'm looking forward to that. The charcoal barbecue, I place wood chippings which I've soaked onto the coals directly, and as soon as that starts to smoke, then I'll put the pizza in. With the Ninja wood fire electric grill, you get little wood pellets which you put into the side of the grill, and this produces the smoke. And so it'll be worth trying two different methods of cookery to see what the pizza looks like. So stay tuned. Hopefully I can update you over the next few days.